Hey, what's up everybody? Today is a very exciting day for me because I've got the little box of explosives and I'm so excited. I pre-ordered the Samsung Galaxy S24 and it just came into the mail today. I've been rocking this iPhone for around like 3 or so years and it's been a good experience, but I think it's time for me to first upgrade to something new, and I want to kind of break up the monotony of using one ecosystem and go back to Samsung and see what they actually have to offer so I can kind of compare and contrast, basically. So, let's unbox it. I am so excited. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. I've been stalking UPS for days. Let's do this. Just keep your composure. If you pre-ordered your phone like I did, then they actually gave you a lot of things for free, which I was like, run me everything, please. So I did get a few items gratis for the free, and we're gonna unbox every single one of these today. Ah. Wow. When I tell you this phone is so beautiful, it feels like heavy duty. I love the colors, and it looks like it's almost like two-toned in a way. And then the S Pen. Oh, baby! I finally have an S Pen. Look at that. I like how the button on the S Pen perfectly matches the buttons on the side. Now, I actually had no idea that these stylus were actually clickable. I'm like a baby deer, you know, just learning how to walk again, basically. And I can't wait to run. I can't wait. These, very cute together. Love how they almost match. They're kind of like in the same colorway. So not perfectly a match, but it was cute. It feels like it's protective, but I would like the lip to come out just a little bit more. And kind of like the same thing on the back as well. That way I can have a little bit more protection, but this case was free, so perfectly fine. I'm cool with it. It's not flush. It is kind of like, if I set this down, then my lens is not going to be touching the table or anything. So I guess that's good. And the charging pad, well, it charges. There's nothing exciting about a charging pad. I don't know. It does what it's supposed to, thankfully. This thing is like a little tablet. This thing is huge. Something about having a completely blank phone that just does it for me. But that's all that's on my phone right now. This thing is cute. I love it. Absolutely love it. Real simple, real cute. Just wanted to unbox this beautiful new device of mine. And yeah, I can't wait to finally get everything put on here and be back to rolling how I was before. It's gonna be a real good time. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Of course, there'll be more to come with all the new things that I'll be learning with this phone, so definitely stay tuned. Leave any comments that you have down in the comment section, and I'll just talk to y'all later. Bye.